Isn't it nice to finally be able to leave the barn and just go on vacation? Yeah, I mean, it's only every once in a while we get to go on vacation. Yeah. Huh, it looks like it just got done raining. Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to deal with it. So at least get to go on vacation. Narrow bridge, they weren't kidding. Whoa! Wow. Like, seriously? I'm not kidding about that narrow bridge. Yeah, I know, right? Alright, well. Let's go. Oh, I forgot in the way, sorry. Wow, look at that lake. Yeah, there's a giant floaty in it. That's called a boat, honey. Let's drive around it once. Get to know our surroundings. Look at that ginormous trees. Yeah, it's still raining a little. Let's just keep going, I'm so excited. Oh no, it's raining harder. Oh crap. I'm trying to make a fireworks video and that was a fail. It just started pouring. Get wet, my friends. Sorry about that, guys. That was I literally did not see that coming. Holy crap. My poor car's just sitting there in the rain. I gotta dry my iPhone off. Okay, now just get to it. Yes, I'm using the saddle pad. I gotta make